Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate ClickUp with Microsoft Outlook using the best and most reliable method available. Whether you're tired of switching between emails and tasks, managing projects across multiple tools, or you simply want a more connected and efficient workflow, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your web browser and head over to clickup.com. If you're not already logged in, click on the Login button at the top right corner of the page. ClickUp allows you to sign in using your Google account, which makes the process faster if your account is already linked. Select your Google account from the list, or enter your credentials manually, and make sure you're logged into the correct workspace. Once you're inside your ClickUp dashboard, look toward the top left corner of the screen and click on your icon. This opens a menu with several useful options. From here, hover over the option labeled Apps, and then click on App Center. This is where ClickUp manages all integrations with external tools and services. Next, you'll see a search bar inside the App Center. Click on it and type Outlook. The results will filter automatically, and you should see the Outlook email integration appear. Click on Outlook Email to open its integration settings, then select the Configure button to begin setting things up. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're logged into the correct Microsoft account, confirm you have permission to add integrations, and keep your browser pop-ups enabled. These small steps can help prevent interruptions during setup. After clicking Configure, you'll then be prompted to sign in with Microsoft. Click on Sign in with Microsoft, enter your Outlook email and password, and approve the required permissions. ClickUp will now handle the synchronization automatically. Once completed, you'll be able to connect emails with tasks and manage everything in one place without jumping between apps. It's also a good idea to test the integration by linking an email to a task to ensure everything works smoothly. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to integrate ClickUp with Microsoft Outlook easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching this Delph Stack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?